So this is a plane that I'm going to consider, right? So again, I need to know the position, the x position of this edge, right? And then the x position of this edge. So the x position of this edge is easy. It's again just 0. What about this one? So if I want to find the x position of this line, I first need to know the equation of this line, right? So the equation of this line can be obtained by this equation of the plane setting z equals 0. Right, so that means I have 2 minus 2 divided by x times divided by 3 times x minus 2y equals 0. So that means x equals 3 times 1 minus y. So that means for a particular value of y, then this x position is 3 times 1 minus y. So finally, I'm going to integrate over y, right? So I need to know the y position of this point and this point. And that is just from 0 to 1. So that's the second, the part B. Okay, so part C. Okay, so the last one. I have this parabolic surface, right? And then this inclined plane, and then this XY plane. So 3 surfaces will enclose a region. So here, let's try to do dz dx dy. So that means first I'm going to consider a line, a vertical line, right? So the bottom z position, of course, is 0, and then up there is 2y. So next I consider dx. So that means I'm going to consider this plane. I need to know the x position for this edge, right? And then also for this edge. So for a particular value of y, right? So then I have this relation between x and y given here. So this one is of course a positive, right? This one is negative. So from here, I know that it's x squared equals 4 minus y. So that means x is equals to plus or minus square root of 4 minus y. So then the one far away, right? So this one is the minus, is the negative one. And this one closer to us is the positive one. So that's why my limit, lower limit is minus square root of 4 minus y. Upper limit is 4 square root of 4 minus y. So finally, right, I integrate over the y direction. So starting at this edge, right, this edge, y position, of course, is 0, ending at this edge. So what is this? Then need to look at, right, this edge for this parabola. Right, so we know that the using this equation again, right, y equals 4 minus x squared. So when x is 0, y is 4. So from 0 to 4. So that's part C. Okay, so that is the end of today's lectures and tutorial. Okay, so remember that we will you have to hand in your homework by this Saturday, and then the second homework will be released soon.